Guys, so today we're going to do those pancakes that I was talking about that are gluten-free, that are made out of bananas. So be tuned and subscribe to my channel just so that you can see more videos like this. All you need is 2 simple ingredients, a banana and 2 eggs. If you want to make more, you just need 2 eggs per banana. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the banana. We're going to cut this in half just to make it easier. Yum, look at that. Looks so good. If you use mushier bananas, which you can, this is just a very ripe banana, but if you use mushier bananas, in order to make it thicker, you can just add some flour and that'll help it out some. This is a good, healthy alternative to making pancakes with a regular baking mix. Now all we have to do is just smash up the banana and add the eggs to it. So I have greased my pan and let it heat up, and so we're about to add our stuff in there. Look at that. Look at them yellow pancakes. Looking so good. And now you just cook them like a regular pancake, and you guys can see how it turns out. And it's okay if your mixture has lumps in it of banana because they will cook out. This is our final product of our pancakes. They are super duper yummy, I will say. They kind of cook a little bit differently than regular pancakes, but they still taste just as good. And as you can tell, we still have quite a bit of stuff left to make more pancakes, which is great because you get a lot from one serving. So if you need more pancakes, then you can use more, but I will say that this will make quite a few. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and you guys should try this out and tell me if you like them.